In this section, subject is form and validation. Form and validation is very important for saving data in Laravel. For example, I close this. For example, you are admin and create new road and prefix and admin and group function and function is admin article. I create an article table in Laravel and create new article. Article title have a title, slug, body, and other. Okay, I create new road and method is get road get in article and or blog or article blog and create. Okay, and function it is okay. Return view for example in directory admin and blogs and create. Okay, I create in view directory and new directory is admin and in admin new directory is blog and blogs, change to blogs, factory names, change to blogs. Okay, and create new file and name is create.blade.php. okay, in we can use HTML and or we can use master page. I use master page. Extend layout and main. If open admin and blog create and close this, admin blogs and create. Okay, we can see this page. Okay, for using a style and other code, just in main CSS main .blade.php open main and in main open CSS and in CSS use asset. For example, use asset and this copy this. In other link we can use this style, but if use this use it in name of directory. For example, inspect accession head open vendor bootstrap admin blog create vendor bootstrap. Okay, we can use this for work. Asset and refresh, we can see it is okay. And we can use in main in JS we can use asset and this, copy the asset, paste, cut here, okay, cut, and here asset, say the Laravel, if we click on, say the Laravel URL app and dispatch. URL app, what is URL app? In app, find URL, open env file and app URL, localhost URL. Okay, in footer I can change. Okay, refresh, we can use this, and I use it in this section, body and end section and section. Okay, and I use a new form for the add form and action in empty. I say that type in this. Okay, in new input for complete title, I say that input text name, say name is title, okay, and PR and input name slug. If refresh this page, we can see this form, and if open this form, input and input. I use for good style, I use of Bootstrap for speedy work. Copy this CSS in project, and in we can use our style this here, okay, and we can use JavaScript file in this, and or we can use this. Okay, I used just Bootstrap file and use example of form for search, and use content in Bootstrap in component and search form. We use of and we use just this. Okay, copy this, close this, and paste this. Okay, refresh, and it is okay. Just use div class call md6, and close this and refresh this. Okay, it is better, and it is work. And inspect in this line a class board start Bootstrap. I margin top for div, margin top, use this. for example div style and top 2 pixel. Okay, refresh and okay, and refresh. Okay, I changed this for h3 blog post and title, and remove this, type text, and it is username title, and use remove this and copy and you slug and use other type body. Okay, and body, for body we use our text text area, and name is body ID and column. Okay, refresh. I refresh this and use class for control. Okay, this is and use type button, type submit. This is a new form for save data in a new action. I save it in admin, or we can use name it route. I save it in post, and we can use name admin post. Okay, we can use this in route name, and we can use in this. I use post for blogs and create and use function, and use in dd. Okay, dd request all, and we can use this new post slug new post and body, and this is body of post. Okay, and remove and remove this title. It is okay. I click in submit. Submit not work because I can't use of method post. Okay, I click in submit, refresh. I use this submit, and page expired. Why page expired? Because I can't use it in CSRF method. CSRF. When use CSRF, Laravel access for me to use a form. Refresh back and refresh. We use post submit. Okay, it is work, and access this road post road, and title a body, a slug body. How create a new data and save?